purpose of this demo is to show how to process intercompany subledger transactions through Avantiico's multi-company solution AMCS. In this example, I've configured some intercompany subledger reconciliation accounts, specifically these two relationships, where I've indicated an AR legal entity of USMF with these customers and then different vendors in different companies. I also have a free text invoice import, and you could go the other direction with this. You could do it from the AP invoice journal instead. But here I'm creating a series of free text invoices across different legal entities, where these first three lines represent a total of 2 free text invoices. First one with 1 line, second with 2 lines. That will be created as AP invoice journals on the other side. If I go into my free text invoice imports and I import this transaction, I'll process it all the way through to posting, and I'll process it on a batch. While that's running, I'll show one other important piece of this, which is the Intercompany Subledger reconciliation journal names. So it's using this intercompany journal, and here I've told it to go through and post on the other side. So what this means is when the free text invoice posts, it will create an AP invoice journal through the AMCS module, and it will check lines, transfer those lines, and then post them as long as I have no workflow in place. So it will automatically post both sides of the transaction. Additionally, important to know is if I click into one of these relationships, because I am posting the free text invoice, I need an offset account on my AP invoice journal. And so one side of the transaction will be to the vendor and the vendor's subledger posting profile account. And the other side I define here what my default, on this side, what the default offset accounts will be. So if I have sales tax or discounts or charges or round off, I can set multiple accounts, but per journal name, I am defining a default account. And this is something we want to expand in the future to give more control over this account, but for the moment, we're restricted to the single account. Going back to my free text invoice inquiry, if I hit refresh, I can see that this is now posted. So it posted the free text invoice. And if I go to my intercompany journals, I'll see that a pair of AP invoice journals were posted as well. I can go to the General tab and I can see the free text invoice number that was created and posted and the journal batch number that was created and posted on the other side for my first free text invoice and then a second. Sorry, that's the lines I want to go to here. And the second for my other company, for my other journal. I can open that journal and look at the lines to see exactly what was created and how it was posted. So it was a 2-line free text invoice. I have those 2 lines. It retains the financial dimension values, and in this case there was some, I believe, sales tax that posted. So that's the AMCS process for using free text invoices and AP invoice journals to automatically generate the other side of the transaction through the subledger. It can also be driven from the AP invoice journal side.